back to my channel. For the return subscribers, you are more than welcome. And for those who are actually tuning in to my channel today, thank you for coming. You are all welcome. Can you guys see my background? This is beautiful. Yes, I'm at Canary wharf actually. Look at your girl. Check me out. Check out your girl. If only I get someone to do it for me. But anywho, I'm feeling myself today. It's a Saturday evening. I'm out here. We're basically we're having dinner with my auntie, my mom's friend, and I just went and got my car, so I'm just trying to figure out where they are, and I'm just standing here making videos for you guys. Back in a minute. Hi. Yes, my auntie just called. Sorry guys, she just called, so now I'm making my way there. This place is gorgeous. Simone, hey, in London. If only one have money, hey? I'm telling you, this place is beautiful. It is beautiful. Can you guys see all of that? Can you guys see? Anyways, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day. So, let me try to figure out where. Let me get there and eat first of all, yeah? I've been taking them pictures, no one to take me pictures. So hopefully we went in, placed an order, and then we came out to take pictures because we can't let this scenery go to waste. And I came out just for you guys, but they didn't take me pictures. So now we're just gonna go back in. Hopefully the food is ready for us. Look at this. Can you guys see that? Can you see the beauty? Can you guys see what I'm seeing? This place is gorgeous. Anywho, we're gonna eat now. Why are you eating? I'm looking for petrol. Because, you know, people went mad yesterday, and I'm like, I was just sitting in my house thinking that I got a full a full tank of petrol, but clearly I was in the illusion that I have a full tank of petrol, which I don't have. And I was thinking that, let people go mad, let them, you know, do their things. Me, I'm gonna be chilling. I'm at home, minding my business. I don't even know why yesterday, because yesterday I drove out. We went to Canary Wharf, and then I didn't even check. I didn't bother. It did not occur to me to check to see what my petrol, you know, situation is. And today after church, this morning I even think about it, and after church everybody was going on the petrol. My mom is like, you don't know what is going on in this country. So I'm like, okay, let me you know, let me try to top up. So then I got in the car and I checked, and I was like, it's like no comment. It's not even, it's like probably like quarter, not even quarter. Yeah, about quarter, 1/4 full. That's how my petrol is right now. Not even halfway, 1/4. And I'm walking tonight. So I've been driving around London trying to figure out where I can, you know, top up my petrol at least. But there's nowhere. Apparently I got the memo late, and everybody else is topping up their petrol, and I'm like here not knowing what to do. If I don't get petrol, I don't get petrol. I would just take a bus and take the train to work. It is what it is. I'm not gonna stress myself. Oh, hello guys, this is my baby boo, my one and only, my sugar dumpling. Do you want to say hello? Hello. He's tired. He's just sitting there looking at you guys, well, looking at me talking to you guys. But anyways, yes, so that's what's happening. But one last stop, which is Morrison's. I don't know if Morrison's would have any. Hopefully they do. So that's what I'm going to check. If not, I'm just gonna go home and sleep. But anywho, how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing well. I know you guys are blessed. Let's put that out there. You all are blessed in Jesus' name. It's a beautiful Sunday. To be honest with you, it's nearly the end of September, and the weather is like, the summer is giving us a goodbye. It's giving us, we're still having summer vibes. In September, this is autumn, the beginning of autumn, and we're still having summer because it's like 23 degrees, you know. Yes, there is no petrol, no diesel, nothing. I don't know if you guys can see the petrol station. Look at that. Oh my god, London, people are crazy. The moment they mention one thing, that's it. Oh yeah, guys, I don't know if I told you guys about the food, the restaurant that we went to yesterday. I didn't even show you pictures of the food. I know it was a mess. I was hungry. I couldn't wait. I could not be taking pictures and videos like that. Your girl was hungry. I was starving because I literally went all day without eating, thinking that, you know, it's gonna be all that. But yeah, but the food, the drinks were good. Let me know, like the cocktails. We had mocktails. They were actually nice. Food, they had like snacks, like shared platters. That's what we had, like starters, shared platters. It was quite filling, to be honest. We had 3 trays of that, and it was quite filling. That's what we ate. And also, what else did we have? And then my mom had she just ordered desserts that she didn't eat, and I ended up eating for her. But about the food, it wasn't, let me not lie, the food was not all that. I would give it like, what would I say? Would I say a 5 out of 10? Literally, that's what came in mind. A 5 out of 10. But when it's food, it's not 5. It should be out of 5, isn't it? So I would give it a 2.5. Literally, that's the food. But the drinks were nice. The place is beautiful. The scenery is nice. You know, to take pictures, it is, you know, Instagram friendly, I would say. You know, like when people take pictures and put it on Instagram, that's the type of vibe, that's the type of scenery type of thing. It was nice. It's a shame I couldn't take a lot of pictures because the people I went with, my aunties, them, they don't know how to take me. I'm just saying about, no offense to you, auntie. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you loads. Love you loads. All right then. Bye guys. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. Yeah.